Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look at Autoliv. This is ticker ALV. Now, despite the down day in the market, Autoliv held up nicely above its 8-day exponential period moving average. That's the orange line here on the chart. And it looks like it had a really nice earnings gap and has so far held that gap. Now, that is relative strength. And typically in a weak market like we had today, you want to focus on stocks that have relative strength, stocks where the sellers aren't really aggressive despite the overall market. And so definitely one that I think is worth watching here. And if I bring out my little handy drawing tool, you can see it has a bit of a flag pattern here, downward sloping trend line, and then some higher lows as well. So it's kind of pinching right along this 8-day exponential period moving average. Now, what I'd like to see from the stock, obviously, is a move higher. Above this high here, maybe around 105.60 is where I would have my alert. And then, of course, you'd want to have a stop loss right under this 8-day exponential period moving average for a swing trade. But this is definitely a stock that I think is worth watching, if only because of its clear relative strength versus the rest of the market. A lot of red on the screen today. And this one, although it did have a bit of a red day, didn't really sell off that much. So Autoliv is on my watch list, and I think it's worth adding it to yours. And if you want to see what else we're watching right now at StockMarketMentor.com, be sure and click that link. Take a 14-day trial. It's only $7. Hopefully, I'll see you on the other side.